Hey everyone, I'm doing a review here on the Dash Everyday Electric Stand Mixer. This is the cream colored version. It has a variety of colors including cream, baby pink, baby blue, brown, many different colors. I chose cream because I think it fits my aesthetic the best, but there are so many colors that you can get any one and it could probably fit you pretty well. So this version is about 1.5 feet tall and weighs about 5 pounds. So it's small, but it's very powerful based on its size. It uses about 250 watts, which is utilized in these 6 different speeds. It goes from 0 all the way to 6, starting 1. And as you can hear right there, when it goes all the way up to 6, it can get very fast, be very powerful. It also comes here with 2 mixer beaters, as well as 2 dough hooks. So there's pretty much nothing that you won't be able to use this mixer for, depending on its size, in a conventional home kitchen. There are little buttons on the top. So whenever you want to eject your mixer from the stand mixer, you can just press the eject button, it'll eject out, and then you can grab your mixer. And there's also another button on the side so that you can lift the head of the mixer, place your mixer beater in, and then once again, place it back down, turn it on, start spinning, start mixing whatever you need to mix. Once you're done, click on the button again, click eject, take your mixer beater out, and that's it. You can also twist the bowl of the mixer off so that you can use it for whatever you need whenever you're trying to cook, whether you want to wash it, whether you want to start hand mixing it or taking it out, and then you can just screw it back in. And you can also use this little lever at the bottom to move the bowl to the right or the left, depending on how you want to use your mixer attachments. If you want to use just the left mixer or the right mixer, you can use the little slider at the bottom. And it also has a grip to the table, which I like very much, so that whenever it goes on those high speeds, it won't be flying off the table. There won't be a mess of flour or sugar or whatever you're using everywhere. So it's very good, very affordable, and very powerful for whatever it packages. So I highly recommend it, and you should go get one too.